I'm Pilar Torres. I am the CEO of Eviden, which is a company part of Group Atos for Spain, Portugal, Middle East and Africa. And Eviden is a technology company that provides services around AI, cybersecurity, but we also are the European manufacturer for high-performance computing, which is widely used in training large-scale data models, in developing AI solutions. We also have computer vision solutions, for instance, that we put at the disposal of our customers who are public and private companies. So the AI has a challenge, but a massive opportunity, as we need to be able to strike the balance between safety, security, trust, but also time to market and innovation, making Europe a leading actor in the AI space. I also represent AMETIC. AMETIC is the trade organization in Spain for digital companies. We have been working as a group providing the voice of the Spanish industry towards the AI Act, where we believe we have the need to have this balance and this clarity of the roles of the different players in AI. We have certain elements to help us develop secure and compliant solutions like the sandboxes, and Spain is a leading country in implementing these sandboxes. And we also believe that the AI future needs to be addressed together as an ecosystem with governments, with academia, with research entities, with private companies, with citizens, because it has multiple aspects and all are essential to be successful. Cyber is a crucial element because AI cannot work if we don't trust it's going to be secure. And AI is on one side a powerful weapon for cyber attacks, but definitely a very powerful shield to protect us all from these cyber attacks. We have been discussing from different perspectives how cybersecurity can be addressed thanks to AI, how important it is to have cyber security in the design of all the AI cases that we are seeing now more and more coming to reality, and how AI can also be part of our cyber solutions. So we have this dual paradigm that we are combining because they are very much intertwined and work together.